Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this chocolate pudding strawberry dessert that's perfect for Easter, any kind of event, and also even a Peter Rabbit themed birthday party. If you're in a time crunch, this is the perfect dessert for you. So stay tuned. Okay, so these are the ingredients you're going to need. Oreo cookies, strawberries, orange candy melt, chocolate pudding. You'll also need some small mason jars or small clear plastic cups, whichever you would like to use. You'll need a piping bag. If you don't have one, you can use a Ziploc bag and just cut a little hole. After you've washed and dried your strawberries very well, melt your candy melt according to the instructions on your candy melt bag. Now take a strawberry by the stem and dip it into the candy melt. Be very careful not to get the candy melt on the small leaves. If you're having any trouble dipping the strawberries this way, you can also use a kebab stick. Poke it into the top of the strawberry. Use the kebab stick to dip the strawberry into the candy melt. Also, after you've dipped your strawberry into the candy melt, make sure you tap off the excess. Now it's time to place them in the freezer for 5 minutes. While the strawberries are in the freezer, take the small containers you're going to use and fill them about 2/3 of the way with chocolate pudding. To show you how easily and quickly you can make this dessert, I decided to use store-bought pudding. Feel free to make your own from scratch. Okay, so now take your Oreo cookies and scrape off the cream filling and place the cookies in a food processor to crush them up until they look like dirt. Don't worry, if you don't have a food processor, you can place them in a Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin or a cup. Now take a spoon and spread the Oreo dirt that we just made on top of the pudding. Reheat your leftover candy melt and put some in a piping bag. Make some zigzags on top of the strawberries. And then place them back in the freezer for a minute. And now it's time to put everything together. Take your strawberries and place them on top of the crushed Oreos. And guess what? You're done! Okay guys, we're done. You see how cute and simple this dessert turned out to be? With the pudding, the Oreo, and the candy covered strawberries? And the strawberries taste delicious. I hope you like the strawberry chocolate pudding dessert. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Bye.